Good morning and happy hiking Friday.
Hello.
And I'm back, finally. Woohoo.
Yep. Congratulations to Marisa for becoming a certified Reiki master. We all
Practitioner.
bow before her. But we are here in the Indian Heaven Wilderness, and today we are, I think we're gonna check out 7 lakes on this loop that we're doing.
That'll be fun.
Yeah, Thomas Lake Trailhead is where we just started, and pass a bunch of lakes and end up at Bear Lake and Elk Lake and head on back down. So it's gonna be like 10 miles and 1,100 feet. Most of the elevations
Beginning of the hike?
right now. So let's huff a puff. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do this.
This is Thomas Lake. There are campsites that you can actually camp at. I think there's about 6 to 10 maybe around the lake maybe.
This is the lake right here. Let's go find some more. It's like a scavenger hunt. How many lakes can we find today? Well, that was very entertaining.
Ooh. Just heard a couple thumps out in the wood, that's all.
Don't worry, I got my air horn in my pocket.
This is NAHA Lake.
All right, we are at about 2 miles in, 760 feet in elevation gain. On to the next lake. This is lake number 3, by the way, if you're keeping track.
Technically, the ones that actually have names, there is a lot up in this region that have no names because they're really small. But yeah.
And we are at lake number 4, Rock Lake. There's camping spots around here too.
Ooh. Horseshoe Pond.
That's what I'm naming it.
Yep. There you go.
It doesn't have a name, so now it does.
Up that mountain up there is the East Crater. It's all burnt all the way around. There's actually a crater directly on top. Be pretty cool to check it out. PCT.
And we are on the PCT. Woohoo!
Yeah.
This is lake number 5, Junction Lake.
Yep.
Got that lake counter going.
Yep. This is where we say goodbye to the PCT once again and heading down to Bear Lake.
Lake number 6 on the lake counter.
Ding. Approaching Elk Lake.
That is it from Elk Lake. Lake number 7 on the lake counter.
Yep, we are
It's
at
beautiful.
5.2 miles and about 1,000 feet, something like that. And
We gotta head back.
Yep, we're gonna take the loop trail, just not on the PCT, but we'll see how it looks and take it from there.
Yeah, we'll see what happens from there. Who knows?
Let's go.
Let's do this. Lake count number 8, ACKER Lake. We just thought it was a pond. Who knew?
Pretty big. Cool. Bonus.
Wonder if we can get up to 10.
Let's go.
All right, well, we are back at Rock Lake and we have completed our loop. That was a tough one, but it was beautiful and it was worth it. So now we're on the Thomas Lake Trail. We are going to fast walk back to the car because we need some beers and we need some rest. So let's go right now. What a hike. Oh my goodness.
Freaking awesome.
We did 9.7 miles.
Yep, and 1,135 feet elevation.
And let me tell you, it was an obstacle course. There were a lot of down trees.
Yep.
I mean, it's fine. We're able to handle it. But the way back, the loop was pretty challenging.
Yeah.
There was a lot of uneven terrain, boulders, but it was so beautiful, so it was worth it.
Yeah.
But just
If you want an easy one, take the PCT back. So
got to see 8 different lakes.
oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
And about 4 or 5 other ponds.
Yeah.
So 2 hours back home and beers are on tap tonight.
All right.
Let's go.
Thanks for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my god. A little paranoid out here.
I just freaked out.
Which freaked me out. Which freaked you out. They're all freaking out. I'm ready to get up to 10 beers. She really has to go. She really has to go. She can't hold it anymore on the PCT. Go, Marisa, go. Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.
I said bye. Bye.
Go.
Go. Go
Go.
home. Go.
Click.
Shoot.
Click.
Go.
Click.
I
Click.
said we'll see you on the next video.
Click. Click. There you did. That did it. That did it. They're definitely not watching now.